Hi. Nice to see you again. Today we are going to talk about the most common programs used in analysis, which are spreadsheets, query languages, and visualization tools. We will answer 3 questions that must come to your mind when you hear about them. Number 1, what does each one of them do? Number 2, why are they so important in data analytics? Number 3, when to use them. Let's start with spreadsheets. Spreadsheet is an application for computation, organization, analysis and storage of data in tabular form. 2 popular spreadsheet applications are Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Data analysts rely on spreadsheets because they can structure data in a meaningful way by allowing them to collect, store, organize, and sort information. Identify patterns and piece the data together in a way that works for each specific data project. Create excellent data visualizations, like graphs and charts. Generally, data analysts use spreadsheets for smaller sets of data. The types of data storage which analysts would use spreadsheets for include inventory, statistical data modeling, and computing data. Now, let's talk about query languages. A query language is a computer programming language used to retrieve information from a database. A database is a collection of structured data stored in a computer system. Some popular structured query language or SQL programs include MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and BigQuery. Query languages are important because they allow analysts to isolate specific information from a database. Make it easier for analysts to learn and understand the requests made to databases. Allow analysts to select, create, add, or download data from a database for analysis. SQL is designed to work with very large amounts of data than is common with Excel, and can handle these amounts of data very well. For example, all the data that a project has ever collected can be stored and used for specific searches in the future. Last but not least, visualization tools. Data analysts use a number of visualization tools, like graphs, maps, tables, charts, and more, in order to have an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. 2 popular visualization tools are Tableau and Looker. These tools turn complex numbers into a story that people can understand. Help stakeholders come up with conclusions that lead to informed decisions and effective business strategies. These tools have multiple features. Tableau's simple drag and drop feature lets users create interactive graphs in dashboards and worksheets. Looker communicates directly with a database, allowing data analysts to connect their data right to the visual tool they choose. A career as a data analyst also involves using programming languages, like Python and R. When it comes to cleaning, manipulating, analyzing, and visualizing data, we are going to talk about them in depth later on. So stay tuned. See you soon.